Hello dear students, I heartily welcome you all in our video lecture series on design of steel and RCC structures. So as we have started second unit, that is design of connections. So in today's lecture number 9, we will discuss about IS specifications for bolted joints. So this lecture we will cover some of the specifications for bolts and bolted joints which we have already discussing on in previous session. So in today's session we will discuss about edge distance, end distance and gauge distance and their specifications. After this session we will get an learning outcome, that is we will be able to know IS specifications for bolts and bolted connections, and also we can use these IS recommendations on site based on our requirements. So first of all, moving towards our session, let's have revision on the points which we have covered in previous lecture. So in previous lecture we have discussed about types of bolts, that is types of bolted joints, in which we have discussed shear connections, that is about lap joints and butt joints. After that we have discussed modes of failure of bolted connections, in which we have discussed number of failure modes such as shear failure, bearing failure, tearing failure, splitting of plates, etc. And we were on specifications for bolts and bolted joints, in which we have already discussed about pitch and gauge distances, their definition and specifications. We will continue our discussion on specifications for bolts and bolted joints. As we were discussing on diameter of bolt holes, pitch distance and gauge distance, this is a table showing the IS 800 2007 recommendations for different diameters of bolt holes for different nominal dia of bolts, such as for 12 mm dia, the diameter of bolt hole should be 13 mm, means nominal dia plus 1 mm. Similarly for 14 also nominal dia plus 1 mm, that is diameter of hole will be 15 mm. And for the diameter of bolts having 16 to 24 mm diameter, then for such bolts, diameter of hole or gross diameter should be taken as nominal dia plus 2 mm, as we have already discussed. And for the bolts having diameter greater than 27 and 30 mm, the diameter of hole will be taken as d plus 3 mm and so on. Now let's move towards edge distance. So what is mean by edge? Before that, let's short revision on pitch and gauge distance. So you can see in diagram there are two plates connected by means of bolt assembly, then and subjected to a longitudinal tensile force or axial tensile force, then the distance measured between two board lines parallel to the direction of force will be termed as pitch, and the distance measured perpendicular or transverse to the board to the force applied between the two bolt lines or two bolt hole centers is termed as gauge distance. Now what about this edge distance? Now it is nothing but the distance between center of the bolt holes to the adjacent edge of the member. Here in this case the edge distance will be distance between the center of bolt line to the nearest edge. गॉट इट? किसको बोलेंगे एज डिस्टेंस? इट इज द डिस्टेंस मीन्स यहाँ पर एक बोल्ट लाइन दिख रही है आपको, चार बोल्ट्स है, इनके सेंटर से जो लाइन पास हो रही है उसको बोलते हैं हम बोल्ट लाइन. ठीक है, इस बोल्ट लाइन से जो नियरेस्ट एज का डिस्टेंस है इसको बोलेंगे हम एज डिस्टेंस. सिमिलरली अगर ये एज डिस्टेंस अगर से हम लाइन ऑफ फोर्स और डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स में मेजर करेंगे तो उसको हम एंड डिस्टेंस भी बोलते हैं। फिर बता सकते हैं आप व्हाट इज मीन बाय एज डिस्टेंस, किसको बोलेंगे एज डिस्टेंस? Yes, edge distance means distance between center of the bolt hole to the adjacent edge of the member. Now, for this edge distance, IS has suggested some of the specifications. That means minimum edge distance should be 1.5 times D or 1.7 times D. Now, what is mean by this 1.5, 1.7, or where should we take this 1.5 or 1.75? If the edges of this connecting member or this plate are machine cut or machine flame cut, then we have to take minimum edge distance. This means this edge distance should be 1.5 times the diameter of the nominal bolts. Or if this connecting member or plates are hand flame cut or there are rough edges, then for such cases we have to take minimum edge distance or end distance as 1.7 times nominal diameter of the bolt which we have used in the connections. Got it? Now what about maximum edge distance? Maximum edge distance कितना होना चाहिए? तो इसके लिए IS कोड ने स्पेसिफिकेशन और रिकमेंडेशन दिया है कि मैक्सिमम edge distance should not exceed 40 mm plus 4 times T, where T is the thickness of the thinner plate. There are two plates, इसमें जो thinner है उसकी thickness का 4 times plus 40 mm, ये होगा आपका maximum edge distance. Got it? What is the requirement for edge distance? As per IS 800, the minimum edge distance should be 1.5 times D or 1.7 times D for machined or hand flame cuts, and maximum edge distance should not exceed 40 mm plus 4 times T. Now apart from this, for gauge distance, as we have already discussed about it, as per IS 800 2007, there are some recommendations, but for the design of connections by means of bolts, we also use SP1. It is also one of the code in which gauge distance for bolts or bolted connections by using angle section as a member. Then for such type of connections, it has given some of the guidelines. Means in diagram you can see there is an unequal angle section. In longer leg there are two bolts, in shorter leg there are one bolt, and the distance for this bolt line from the nearest edge is also termed as gauge distance in this case, or we can say it as a edge distance also. And the transverse distance or vertical distance between two bolt line, that is B in this case, will be our gauge distance. Similarly for shorter leg, the C is the gauge or edge distance. For this there is some table given by SP1 for different leg lengths. If leg length is 200 mm, then if we are going for double row of bolts, then this A distance should not exceed 75 mm, and this B distance should not be exceed 85 mm. If we are going for single row only, then this C distance should be taken as 115 mm. Likewise for different leg lengths we can take the gauge or edge distance for the bolts or connecting member. And also you can observe here in this table, for the leg lengths less than 100 mm, that is 95, 90, we have to go for only single row of the bolts as per the specifications given. So for today's session, we will stop our discussion. In this session, we have discussed about edge distance, gauge distance and their specifications. So based on these 2 points, in competitive examinations it may ask some of the questions. तो जो आप जेई के लिए और कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए अगर से ट्राई कर रहे हैं तो उसके अंदर ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. तो उसमें से हम एक क्वेश्चन देखेंगे एक और दो क्वेश्चंस जिससे आपका आइडिया जो है क्लियर होगा। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, what is the correct statement regarding age distance for bolted connections? There are four options. First option is minimum age distance. E minimum equals to 1.5 times D for rolled or machine flame cut. E minimum equals to 1.7 times D for sheared or hand flame cut. And third option, option C is both A and B is correct. And final D option is both A and B are correct. Which one is correct now? Yes, option C is correct as we have just discussed. That is both A and B statements are correct. Means E minimum should be 1.5 times D or 1.7 times D for machine or hand flame cut. Similarly, there is second MCQ. Maximum age distance should be. अब maximum age distance कितना होना चाहिए? And options are 40 plus 4 times t, 30 plus 3 times t. Option C is 4.0 plus 4 times t, and option D is 3.0 plus 3 times t. Can anybody answer it? Yes, again you are right. Option A is correct. Means maximum age distance should be 40 plus 4 times t. Now, based on this session, it may ask some of the questions in examinations. So these are some of the expected questions. You may note it down. That is, define age and end distance. Which are the IS 800 recommendations for age and end distances in bolted connections? We will see you in next session, in which we will start our discussion on strength of bolted connections and bolts. Thank you.